ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕ್ಕಂ. We are going to learn few words, few sentences which is to use after coming use came, isn't it? The came with few sentences, with few examples we are going to learn. I have my niece here. She is going to say the same sentences in Tamil and I will be reading it out the sentences in both Kannada and English. I hope that will be useful to you all for learning. According to me, what I have learnt, most of the words, for example, vandeen, bande, in Kannada we say bande, bandenu, whereas in Tamil we say vandeen. Almost similar, but there will be some small the differences. If that we know, we can easily learn it. Let's start. The first sentence. Neenu yavaga bande. This we use for the younger one as a question. When did you come? Neenu yavaga bande.
நீ எப்போ வந்த?
So that means the nee eppo vanda is question what we ask in Tamil is nothing but neenu yavaga bande, which we use for younger one. And what about if the same question if we have to ask for elder one? Neevu yavaga bandri? Neevu yavaga bandri? When did you come? For the elders and also for the plural one question.
நீங்க எப்போ வந்தீங்க?
Yes. And next one. Answer when we give, how can we can give answer? For example, if you ask me the same question, so if I came today morning, then I need to say, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, or ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, also sometimes we may use. So that means answer is ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ or ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ.
நான் இன்னைக்கு காலையில வந்தேன்.
Next one. ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ? ಹೇಗೆ is how. How. எப்படி சொல்கிறோம் தமிழில். ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ? ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ?
நீ எப்படி வந்த?
ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? This is question to elders. Same ಹೇಗೆ will come, but whereas ನೀವು is ninga and the one dinga actually will become bandri. Okay, bandiri. So this we have given one number in our verb system, that is nothing but 04 bandri. Okay, so ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? How did you come?
நீங்க எப்படி வந்தீங்க?
Assume if I ask you the same question to you, assume if you came by two-wheeler or maybe motorcycle or by cycle or maybe by walk, maybe in the car, then you are going to give answer saying that ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. That means I came by two-wheeler. If you would have come by the car, then you are going to say ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. So if we have to use the same sentence, ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. I came by motorcycle.
நான் வண்டியில வந்தேன்.
Next one. We normally should not ask this question, saying that why did you come? This we are learning here. That's all. Otherwise, if some friends comes or relatives comes, we shouldn't ask, no, saying that why did you come? Should we ask? No. We don't ask, isn't it? ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ? ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ?
நீ ஏன் வந்த?
That's for the younger one. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ?
நீ ஏன் வந்த?
And same question, if we have to ask for elders, then we have to make it as ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
நீங்க ஏன் வந்தீங்க?
Yes, that's for the elder one. And assume if you ask me the same question, then I am going to tell you that I came to meet you, I came to see you. Okay, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. The full word is ನೋಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ, but when we use actually we say ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ.
நான் உங்களை பார்க்க வந்தேன்.
Yes. And the next one is ನೀನು. Now I would like to know whether you came alone or you came with someone. Maybe that those questions which I have in my mind. If I ask you the same question, ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದಿಯಾ? ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದಿಯಾ? This question goes to male, younger one. Okay.
நீ ஒருத்தனே வந்தியா?
Next one, if same question if we have to ask for with respect for any others, that means for elderly people, ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಂದ್ರಾ?
நீங்க ஒருத்தரே வந்தீங்களா?
Same question if we ask for the younger female, how we have to do? ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಬಂದಿಯಾ? ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ. ಒಬ್ಬಳು is one female. Okay, ಒಬ್ಬಳು. So it means for one female we say one the ಒಬ್ಬಳು, whereas ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ is emphasizing on the you alone. ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಬಂದಿಯಾ?
நீ ஒருத்தியே வந்தியா?
If you ask me the same question saying that ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಂದ್ರಾ, then I am going to tell you saying that ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದೆ. ಹೌದು, yes, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದೆ. I came alone. Yes, I came alone. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದೆ.
ஆமா, நான் ஒருத்தனே வந்தேன்.
Next one, ಹೌದು if I am female, that what answer I am going to give? ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಬಂದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ. ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಬಂದೆ.
ஆமா, நான் ஒருத்தியே வந்தேன்.
So that means the bande what we took, bande we use for the first person. I came, that is ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ. You came, that is ನೀನು ಬಂದೆ. But that is statement. But when we make questions, we can actually make it questions as ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ? So when did you come? ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ? Why did you come? ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ? How did you come? Same concept we can apply for the 04. 04 is nothing but ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರಿ. That means you came. But I need not use this sentence. We do less usage of this sentence. Whereas usage will be more in the terms of making questions actually. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? How did you come? ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? So when did you come? ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? We should not ask this question. But still we are learning here. ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? Why did you come? So once you know these questions, you will be easily able to use and then make utilize of these sentences while doing the conversation. I hope this video will be helpful to you. We also do conduct online classes for spoken Kannada. If you are interested, please do let me know. You can note down my mobile numbers 9341895618 and 831055796. If you like the video, if video is helping you, please forward it to all your friends whoever they are interested in learning Kannada. And if you are interested in learning Kannada in online classes, we are starting the new batch on 5th of August. Please do let me know. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವಣಕ್ಕಂ.